Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another exciting episode of the ITV Math Show with me, your host and presenter, Mohammed Kota. We're shooting here in Johannesburg, and for all our international viewers, we have started this program in Ramadan already, and we're now continuing now post-Ramadan with preparation for grade 11 and 12 pure mathematics. Now remember this, guys, this is for pure maths only, not for math literacy. We are starting. Today's topic that we will be discussing is trigonometry, and we will be doing reduction, special angles. Now, in our previous episode, in one of our live episodes, what we did is that we introduced the audience to reduction. But we didn't do a full-scale program dealing with the special angles. So guys, I hope by now you have been you are prepared for the session. Get your pens, get your papers, get your scientific calculators ready, and let's get started with the show. Now, we're starting with reduction, special angles, 30 degrees. Now remember, reduction deals with 30-degree angles, 45-degree angles, and 60-degree angles. These are called our special angles. Now, why do we have 30, 45, and 60-degree angles? So that we can simplify an angle like this, sine 225, without the use of a calculator. Now, we are going to cheat a little, right? This is just between you and I. What we're going to be doing now is that, I know we are doing crisis control. We are doing damage control now towards the end of the year, because many of you have been failing this section for this section for probably about 2 years now. So we're going to be using our calculator, but we're going to be leaving our answers in third form. There is no way that your teachers will be able to pick up that you actually use the calculator if you do not give your answer with decimals. So make sure that you will give your answer in third form, and no decimals, guys, no decimals. The minute you start converting a fraction to a decimal, you get 0,1, 0,5, 0,86, whatever you get, they know you use the calculator, they're going to mark it wrong. So you're going to have to leave your answer in third form. Okay, now we take an example. I'm going to start you off from basic, and we're going to be moving up to the most complex question that you could see in the exam for grade 11 and 12. And you will always get in grade 11, let's just put a note, let's make a note here. Let's put notes on the side. Grade 11, you will see maximum of 2 of these questions in the exam. All right? Both. One will be probably about 5 or 6 marks, and the other one will be about 7 marks. So total here, you're looking at 12 marks. Grade 12, you'll only see, you'll get 1 or 2, maximum 2 questions. And also plus minus 12 marks. Okay, so guys, please, this is an important topic. Remember, under trigonometry, what are you going to be seeing under trigonometry? You're going to be seeing equations, identities, reduction. You're going to get 1 equation in the exam, 1 general solution, 1 quadratic general solution. You're going to be seeing reduction. You're going to be seeing identities. You're going to be seeing your trig graphs. 1 of each of these questions, and that's going to build your total of about 30 marks. Let's get started with reduction. We have now sine 225. Now, we need to get a 30-degree angle, a 45-degree angle, or a 60-degree angle in the 225 using our quadrants. Now, that is our Cartesian plane. We all know all positive, that's quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Okay, all positive. That means sine in the first quadrant, we all know sine, cos, and tan, positive. Quadrant 2, now we know this is 90 degrees plus. If an angle lies here, it's 90 plus. If an angle lies here, 90 minus. That's your 0. So we're going in a anti-clockwise direction. That's your 180-degree line, that's your 270, and that's your 360. So if an angle lies in this quadrant, it could either be 180 minus or 90 plus. If it lies in your third quadrant, it could be 180 plus or it could be 270 minus. If it lies in this quadrant, in quadrant number 4, it will either be 270 plus or 360 minus. Now many of you get confused which one to use, and that's the purpose of today's show, to show you exactly in which quadrant does the angle lie and how to determine the sign in that quadrant. Whether it's going to be a positive or whether it's going to be a negative. Whether the name is going to stay or whether the name is going to change. Now there are exact rules and we're going to be going through all those rules. Okay, so let's get started.